Replacing your home's windows is a major investment, one that impacts comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. But beyond immediate improvements, one of the most valuable advantages of modern replacement windows is their low-maintenance design. Today's window technology is built not only for performance, but for long-term durability that saves homeowners time, money, and effort. If you're considering upgrading your windows, understanding the long-term maintenance benefits can help you see the full value of the investment. Durable frame materials that resist wear. Older windows, particularly wood frames, often require frequent upkeep. Peeling paint, warping, rot, and moisture damage can become recurring problems. Modern replacement windows are typically constructed from materials like vinyl fiberglass composite blends. These materials are engineered to resist cracking, swelling, corrosion, and insect damage. Unlike wood, they don't require sanding, repainting, or staining. A simple cleaning with mild soap and water is usually enough to keep frames looking new. Over the years, this significantly reduces maintenance costs and time spent on repairs. Fade-resistant finishes. Today's window finishes are designed to withstand years of sun exposure without fading or peeling. High-quality vinyl and fiberglass windows often feature UV-resistant coatings that maintain their appearance even in sunny climates. This means you won't need to repaint or refinish frames to maintain curb appeal. The color remains consistent, and the exterior continues to look polished year after year. Advanced glass technology reduces problems. Modern insulated glass units are sealed with durable spacers and insulating gases, such as argon, that improve thermal performance. These sealed units are designed for long-term reliability. High-quality replacement windows also include low emissivity coatings, warm edge spacer systems, multi-pane glass for improved insulation. These features reduce condensation buildup and minimize temperature fluctuations that can strain materials over time. When condensation is controlled, surrounding trim and walls are less likely to experience moisture-related damage. Improved weather resistance. Older windows can struggle with drafts and water intrusion as seals deteriorate. Modern replacement windows include advanced weather stripping and compression seals that maintain tight contact between moving parts and the frame. These improved sealing systems help prevent air leaks, block moisture, reduce dust infiltration. Because seals are more durable and better engineered, they hold up longer and require fewer repairs. Easier cleaning features. Many modern replacement windows are designed with convenience in mind. For example, double-hung windows often include tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean exterior glass from inside your home. Slider and casement windows are also built with smoother track systems and hardware that resist corrosion and sticking. This ease of cleaning encourages regular maintenance and helps preserve long-term performance. Reduced hardware wear. Modern window hardware is typically made from corrosion-resistant materials that withstand daily use. Improved locking mechanisms and hinges are designed for durability and smooth operation. Because these components are engineered for longevity, homeowners experience fewer mechanical issues compared to older window systems. Fewer repairs over time. One of the greatest long-term benefits of modern replacement windows is simply the reduction in repair needs. With better materials, improved sealing systems, and advanced engineering, today's windows are built to last for decades. Homeowners can expect fewer air leak issues, minimal frame deterioration, less frequent part replacement, long-lasting glass performance. This translates into lower lifetime ownership costs. Protecting your investment. Professional installation also plays a role in maintenance benefits. Proper installation ensures windows are square, sealed, and insulated correctly, preventing problems before they start. When combined with quality materials, expert installation maximizes durability and minimizes future upkeep. A smart upgrade for long-term value. Modern replacement windows offer more than energy savings and aesthetic improvements. They provide lasting peace of mind. With durable frames, fade-resistant finishes, advanced glass technology, and low-maintenance design, They eliminate many of the headaches associated with older windows. For homeowners looking to invest wisely, replacement windows deliver ongoing maintenance advantages that protect your home, reduce stress, and preserve value for years to come.